Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to record your computer screen on Windows 10, whether it's for tutorials, gaming, meetings, or school projects, today I've got you covered. In just a few minutes, you'll learn 3 super easy methods you can start using right away. Stick around till the end so you don't miss the simplest one of all. Let's jump in with the built-in option most people don't even know exists. The first method is using the Xbox Game Bar. Windows 10 already includes it, so there's nothing extra to install. To launch it, press the Windows key and the letter G. If a window pops up asking if it's a game, just check the box so the tools load. From here, hit the record button or use the shortcut Windows plus Alt plus R to start capturing your screen instantly. When you're done, click the red bar in the corner or press the same shortcut to stop. Your video saves automatically as an MP4 file in the videos folder under captures. It's fast, free, and built into the system, but it may not record every app. If you're more comfortable with Microsoft Office, the second method uses PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint and create a new or existing presentation. Go to the Record tab and click Screen Recording. You'll see tools at the top. Use Select Area to choose what part of the screen you want. Audio and mouse clicks are included by default, but you can turn either off if needed. Start recording by clicking the red button or pressing Windows plus Shift plus R. The same shortcut can pause and resume. When you're finished, move your mouse to the top edge for the dock to reappear, then hit Stop or use Windows plus Shift plus Q. Right-click the video inside your slide, choose Save Media As, give it a name and location, and you're done. This works in PowerPoint 2016, 2013, and newer versions. You can also use a third-party software, but more powerful. OBS, Open Broadcaster Software, lets you record or stream your screen, games, or webcam. And I'm also using it to recording this video. To use it, first install OBS and run the Auto Configuration Wizard. Create a scene, a layout for your stream/recording, and add sources like game capture, webcam, microphone, or images. Adjust audio in the mixer for desktop sound and mic levels. For recording, set the output format and save location under Settings arrow. Output arrow recording. For streaming, enter your platform and stream key under Settings arrow stream. Use the controls panel to start/stop recording or streaming, switch scenes, and adjust audio. For best performance, use game capture for games, assign hotkeys, and test your settings before going live. And that's it. 3 easy ways to record your screen on Windows 10. Whether you need something built in, something familiar, or something more powerful. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Got another favorite screen recording method? Share it in the comments so others can try it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.